Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today, we learn about FreeCAD Part Design Subtractive Pipe tool. In this FreeCAD tutorial, I will show you how to model solid parts using the Subtractive Pipe feature in the Part Design workbench. This Part Design primitive tool is called Subtractive Pipe. Subtractive Pipe creates a subtractive solid in the active body by sweeping one or more sketches along an open or closed path. Subtractive Pipe tool is used in Part Design workbench to cut out part of the 3D object. For Subtractive Pipe tool, you need to have existing supporting solid part, one or more sketches, and path sketch profile. Here you find the several ways to invoke the Subtractive Pipe tool and the steps to create this subtractive primitives. The first option to invoke the tools is pressing the Subtractive Pipe tool. You find the second option under Part Design menu. On the next slide, you find the steps and how to set the Subtractive Pipe parameters. To apply the Subtractive Pipe tool, first you need Active Support Solid Model. Then, sketch two or more closed sections sketches. The first sketch is Profile Sketch, which will be swept along the path, and the second sketch is the path. Press Subtractive Pipe button. Then, in the Select Feature dialog, select a sketch to be used as first cross-section and click OK. In the Pipe Parameters under Profile, press the Object button. Then, select the sketch to be used as path in the 3D view or from the tree. Set options like Constant or Multi-Section if needed and click OK. In this example, I will show you how to use the Subtractive Pipe tool with one sketch profile and option constant. I have active supporting solid part. Now, I create a new sketch for the path and choose the XY plane to sketch on. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Create ploy line. Set both fillets equal. Set both fillets endpoints horizontal. Constrain coincident the line to the origin. Set the fillet center point's symmetry to the origin. Project the supporting solid part edge. Constrain coincident the endpoint of the path line to the projected line. Make these two lines equal. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Now I will create the profile sketch on the front surface of the solid part. Change the draw style of the solid part to wireframe mode. Now you can see the path sketch. Project this line to the sketch plane. Constrain coincident the circle center point to the projected endpoint. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Press Subtractive Pipe tool. Select Profile Sketch and then press OK. Press the Object button and then select the sketch to be used as path. Keep the option constant. Use Persistent Section Cut tool to see the subtractive pipe cut out. This is the result. Please subscribe the video if you like my content. Thanks. In the next example, I will show you how to use the Subtractive Pipe tool with two sketch profiles option multi-section. The second profile is rectangle. First, apply the same procedure. Now, change the transform mode from constant to multi-section. And then add the second profile sketch. Then, OK. In the front, we have a circular hole, and in the back, rectangular hole. To see the cutout, use again the Persistent Section tool. As you see, that material has been removed. That is for today about the application of the Part Design Subtractive Pipe tool in FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.